Hey everyone, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. If you're running the IBEX Bed Rack from KUAT, you already know it's built tough, fits clean, and offers tons of mounting flexibility. And now we're introducing a full line of bolt-on lighting upgrades designed specifically for it. No custom fab work, no more wiring guesswork, just clean, functional lighting upgrades that easily install and are built to last. We've got 3 all-new kits to walk through today, so let's check them out. First up, the Scene Light Kit. This setup lets you mount 4 of our Stage Series rock lights to the top rail of your IBEX rack, angled perfectly to light up your campsite, trailhead, or work zone. You'll get even and clean ambient light wherever you stop. The lights come equipped with white diffused lenses for a crisp, even illumination, and we include a full set of amber lenses in the box, so you can easily swap to a warmer output depending on your needs. The installation is fully bolt-on with no drilling and no guesswork. You'll get T-slot nuts, wire management clips, and all the hardware you need to route your wiring cleanly. The T-slot nuts for all of these kits require no disassembly of your rack, making installation much easier. This is the easiest way to add functional scene lighting to your setup. And if you don't have an IBEX rack, check out our angled surface mount version instead. Next up is our bed light kit. Until now, the only real option for bed lighting has been a custom install, and if you've been down that road, you know the pain. This kit gives you a clean, bolt-on way to mount 4 rock lights directly to your IBEX crossbars, no modification required. It's fully compatible with most setups. Just note it's not intended for use with the IBEX panel kit. The lights come with white diffuse lenses installed for clean, functional output, and a full set of amber lenses are included for easy color swapping. T-slot nuts and wire management clips are all in the box, and the kit is set up to tap into your factory bed lights for power. But if your truck doesn't have them, we offer additional harnesses to make routing to the engine bay easy. Whether you're loading up gear or working out of the bed at night, this kit adds clean, effective lighting right where you need it. Last up, the Chase Light Kit. This kit mounts 2 of our C2 LED pods directly to the rear crossbar of your IBEX rack, giving you powerful rear-facing lighting for dusty trails, dark staging areas, or nighttime recoveries. The pods feature red backlighting for running light visibility, plus a high-power yellow flood beam that cuts through dust and darkness with ease. For most setups, the kit is installed directly on the crossbar with the included hardware. No modification is needed. If you're running the IBEX panel kit, just install it to the top of the crossbar instead to maintain compatibility. Everything is included: T-slot nuts, wire clips, and the correct mounting washers for a clean and simple fit. And if you haven't already, now's the time to check out our D-Switch 8-channel switch panel. It gives you total control of your setup, allowing you to group lights, dim them, strobe them, or tie them into OEM power sources for a more factory feel. You can even build out your setup even further with our full lineup of off-road lighting. Everything from rock lights to more LED pods, and soon our new light bars. All designed, engineered, and built right here in the US. We're proud to team up with another Missouri-based brand like KUAT to offer these direct fit solutions for the IBEX rack. And this is just the beginning. We've got more on the way. To grab your kit and take your setup to the next level, head to diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest American lighting products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.